Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recover your Trezor with a seed. First, understand that your recovery seed is paramount for accessing your digital assets. Before you begin, ensure you are in a secure and private environment, free from prying eyes. It is also crucial to confirm your Trezor device has the most current firmware installed. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe recovery process for your valuable cryptocurrencies. To start, connect your Trezor hardware wallet to a reliable computer using its USB cable. Next, open your preferred web browser and navigate directly to the official Trezor wallet interface. Once there, you will see an option to Recover Wallet or Restore Wallet. Select this option to initiate the recovery procedure. This step is essential for the system to recognize your device and prepare for the seed input. Now, you will be prompted to enter your recovery seed. This could be a sequence of 12, 18, or 24 words. It is absolutely critical to enter each word precisely as it appears on your physical seed phrase, paying meticulous attention to both spelling and the exact order. Double-check every word before confirming. Accuracy here is paramount, as even one incorrect word will prevent successful recovery of your funds. After successfully entering your seed, your Trezor device will synchronize. Take a moment to verify that all your cryptocurrency balances are accurately displayed within the wallet interface. Next, you will be prompted to set a brand new, strong personal identification number for your Trezor. Finally, and most importantly, ensure your physical recovery seed is stored in an extremely secure, offline location, safeguarding it for any future needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.